Hi friends, welcome to GD Last Days. நம்ம வீடியோவில் இன்னைக்கு என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா ஆல் இந்தியா பார் எக்ஸாமினேஷனுடைய லாஸ்ட் இயர் கொஸ்டின் பேப்பர் வித் ஆன்சரோட பார்க்க போகிறோம். வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி இந்த சேனலை இப்போ தான் பார்க்குறீங்கன்னா வீடியோவை மறக்காமல் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். உங்களால் முடிஞ்ச வரைக்கும் சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுங்கள் சேனலுக்கு. வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். இந்த ஆல் இந்தியா பார் எக்ஸாமினேஷன் 2023 இப்போ நடக்க போகுது. அதில் 100 மார்க்ஸ் டோட்டல் மார்க்ஸு, ஈச் கொஸ்டின் 1 மார்க்கு, நோ நெகட்டிவ் மார்க்ஸு. பாஸ் பர்சன்டேஜ் வந்து SC ST 35%, அதர் கேஸ்ட்டு 45%. வாங்க ஒரு கொஸ்டினாக பார்க்கலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின், the title of the Constitution of India is laid down in. The answer is D, Article 393. Second question is, constitutional provisions of fundamental rights are given under the part of the Constitution of India. The answer is C, part 3. Third question is, by which of the following amendment Act of 1985 anti-defection law was added in the Constitution of India? The answer is B, 52nd Constitutional Amendment. Fourth question is, in which one of the following cases the Supreme Court decided that a constitutional amendment is a law within a meaning of Article 13 surplus 2, and therefore if it is violates any of the fundamental rights it may be declared void? The answer is D, Kolaknath versus State of Punjab. Fifth question is, Uniform Civil Code in India is. The answer is B, Directive Principles of State Policy. Sixth question is, as per Article 16, no citizen shall, on grounds only of dash or any of them, be ineligible for or discriminated against in respect of any employment or office under the state. The answer is A, religion, race, caste, sex, descent, place of birth, residence. And seventh question is, the minimum number of judges who are to sit for the purpose of deciding any case involving a substantial questions of law as to the interpretation of this constitution or for the purpose of hearing any reference under Article 143 shall be. The answer is D, 5. And eighth question is, according to the Article 300A of the Constitution of India, number dash shall be deprived is property saved by authority of law. Eighth question, answer is A, person. The 10th question is, which of the following schedule deals with the union list, state list and concurrent list in the Constitution of India? 10th question answer is Schedule 7. And 11th question is, under section 82 and 83 of Indian Penal Code, an offence is punishable if it is done by a child. 11th question answer is B, of above 7 years of the age but below 12 years having attained sufficient maturity and understanding. And 12th question is, name 2 essential conditions of penal liability. 12th question answer is C, guilty mind and wrongful act. And 13th question, provisions for right of private defense is given between dash of IPC. 13th question answer is section 96 to 106B. And 14th question is, the consent is not a valid consent under section 90 of IPC. 14th question answer is D, if given by child below 12 years of age. 15th question, cursing of the death of child is in the mother's womb is not homicide as provided under. 15th question answer is B, explanation 3rd to section 299. And 16th question is punishment for defamation under Indian Penal Code is simple imprisonment for a term which may extend to dash or with fine or with both. 16th question answer is A, 2 years. And 17th question, assault or criminal force to woman with intent to outrack her modesty under IPC is which of kind of offence? 17th question answer is C, cognizable and non-bailable. And 18th question, A place men with firearms at the outlets of building and lets Z that they will fire at Z. If Z attempts to leave the building, A is guilty of. 18th question answer is C, both wrongful confinement or wrongful restraint. And 19th question is the provision of will of bargaining under chapter 21A of CRPC are not applicable if the offence is committed against a child below the age of. 19th question answer is B, 14 years. And 20th question, section 125 of the Criminal Procedure Code is secular is character was observed in which of the following cases? 20th question answer is C, Mohad Ahmad Khan versus Bana Begum. And 21st question, who has the power of summary trial of the case? 21st question answer is D, all of this. And 22nd question is which section deal with the purpose to compel appearance under Code of Criminal Procedure Code 1973. 22 question answer is A, section 61 to 90. And 23rd question is an offence for which a police officer may arrest a person without warrant is known as. The answer is B, cognizable offence. And 24th question is in a summons trial case instituted and a complaint wherein the summons has been issued to the accused, the non-appearance or death of the complainant shall entail. Answer is B, acquittal of the accused. And 25th question is spouse FIR is not registered by the station house officer. What are the options that the complaint has? 25th answer is D, both approach superintendent of police and approach magistrate by filing private complaint. 26th question is any police officer making an investigation under section 160 of CRPC cannot require the attendance of a male at a place other than the place of his residence who is. Answer is C, under the age of 15 years and above the age of 65 years. And the 27th question is if someone lies before the court on affidavit, how it can be tackled by the advocates? Answer is A, perjury application can be filled. 28th question is proclamation for person absconding shall be punishable as follows. The answer is D, all 1, 2, 3, 4 are correct. And 29th question is which order of civil procedure code deals with temporary injunction and interlocutory injunction? 29th answer is B. Order 39. And 30th question is A is a tradesman in Ahmedabad. B carries on business in Delhi. B is agent in Ahmedabad. Buys goods of A and requests A to deliver them to the Western Roadways Transport Company. A delivers the goods accordingly in Ahmedabad. A may sue B for the price of the goods. The answer is C. In either Ahmedabad or Delhi. Next 31st question is which of the following section of Civil Procedure Code deal with the concept of res judicia? The answer is B. Section 11. And 32 question is Mr. X and Mr. Y and Mr. Z are jointly and severally liable for 10,000 under a degree obtained by a Mr. A. Mr. Y obtained a degree for 10,000 against Mr. A. Signedly and applies for execution to the court in which the joint degree is being executed. Which of the following option is correct for Mr. A? 32 answer is A. Mr. A may treat his joint degree as cross degree under order 21st rule 18. 33 question is A, B and C are co-partner of joint Hindu family. They jointly executed a mortgage in favor of Y. Y files a suit against all of them. Summon is served to C but not A and B. None of them appear and an ex parte degree is passed against all. A and B applied to set aside the ex parte degree. The degree will be set aside against. The answer is C. A, B and C. 34th question is which of the following provision of Civil Procedure Code 1980 deals with the institution of suits? Answer is C. Section 26. A question is ratified, defined shall within dash days from the date of service of summon on him present a written statement of his defense. Order 8. Answer is B. 30. And 36th question is which of the following statement is incorrect? Answer is C. Second appeal can be on question of fact or law or both. 37th question is as per order 6 bleeding shall mean. Answer is B. Written statement. The 38th question which of the following order deal with death, marriage and insolvency of parties? Answer is C. Order 22. 39th question is the doctrine of res gesta has been discussed in which section of the Evidence Act? Answer is B. Section 6. 40th question when the liability of a person who is one of the parties to the suit depends upon the liability of a stranger to the suit, then an admission by the stranger in respect of his liability shall be an admission on the part of that person who is a party to the suit. It has been so provided under section of the Indian Evidence Act 1872. The answer is C. Section 19. 41st question is judicial evidence means. Answer is A. Evidence received by court in proof or disproof of fact. 42, and question is, which of the following is not a document according to the Indian Evidence Act 1872? Answer is D. None of these. 43rd question is, presumptions as to dowry death is given under which section? Answer is B. 113B. 44th question, which of the following is not secondary evidence as per section 63 of Indian Evidence Act 1872? Answer is D. Copies not certified under section 63. 45th question is, a leading question may be asked in. Answer is C. Cross examination. Next question is, extrajudicial confession means. Answer is A. Confession made either to police or person other than judges and magistrates. Next question is, the arbitral tribunal shall not be bound by dash in the determination of rules of procedure. Answer is D. Both the Civil Procedure Code 1908 and the Indian Evidence Act 1872. Next question is, which of the following section deals with arbitration agreement in Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996? The answer is B. Section 7. Next question is, under what circumstances the arbitral proceeding can be terminated? Question answer is A. 1 and 3. Next question is, under section 29 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996, arbitral proceedings with more than one arbitrator, any decision of the arbitral tribunal. Answer is D. Shall be made by majority of its members. Next question, the provision for maintenance pendant light in Hindu Marriage Act 1955 is given in. The answer is C. Section 24. Next question, a Muslim wife may sue for divorce under the Dissolution of Muslim Marriage Act 1939 Section 2 if the husband has been innocent for a period of. Answer is B. 2 years. Next question, Muslim woman has option to be converted by the provision of section 125 and 128 of Criminal Procedure Code 1973. Which section of the Muslim Woman Protection of Rights and Divorce Act 1986 deals with it? Answer is A. Section 5. Next question is, which of the following is not a ground of void marriage under section 11 of Hindu Marriage Act? Answer is D. Child marriage. Next question is, Sabida relationship means. Answer is B. Third generation mother, fifth generation father. Next question, which one of the following is not a ground of divorce in Hindu Marriage Act? Answer is D. Living separately for less than 3 months. Next question, Indian Christian can obtain divorce under which of the following enactment? Answer is C. Indian Divorce Act 1869. Next question, the section 12 of Hindu Maintenance and Adaptation Act 1956 deals with. Answer is B. Effect of adaptation. Next question, which of the following categories of cases will not be entertained as public interest litigation Answer is D. Landlord tenant matter. Next question, who is known as father of public interest litigation in India? Answer is D. Justice P.N. Bhagavati. Next question, which of the following is not a real purpose of public interest litigation? Answer is D. Getting famous and making wealth. Next question, in Usnari Cotton versus State of Bihar dash emerged as a basic fundamental rights. Answer is A. Right to speedy justice. Next question, which of the following right can be issued against aspiration of public office? Answer is C. Right of quo warranto. Next question, Rich versus Baldwin cases deals with. The answer is B. Natural justice. Next question, meaning of Audi alteram patum. Answer is A. A person cannot be concerned without being here. Next question, rules made by Bar Council of India in exercising its rules making power under Advocate Acts. Answer 66. C. The Advocate Acts 1961. An advocate may, while practicing, take up teaching of law in any educational institution which is affilied to the university, so long as the hours during which he is so engaged in the teaching of law do not exceed dash hours in a day. Answer is B. 3 hours. Next question, in which of the following landmark case the advocate was held guilty of professional misconduct as he had forget the court order? Answer is A. Pratap Narin versus Raija. Next question, if any advocate is aggrieved by the order of disciplinary committee of State Bar Council made under section 35 of the Advocate Act, or Advocate General of the state may prefer and appeal to the Bar Council of India within dash days of the date communication of the order. Answer is C. 60. Next question, ABC Private Limited Company choose to convert itself into a public company. It can do so by altering its memorandum of association and article of association and passing. Answer is B. Special resolution. Next question is, doctrine of lifting of a pricing the corporate levy is associated with. Answer is B. Company law. Under which section of the Environment Protection Act 1986 and appeal no National Green Tribunal NGT lies? Answer is B. Section 5A. Next question is, which one of the following fundamental duties relates to environmental protection? Answer is B. Article 51A surplus G. Next question, Mr. A, who has aggrieved by an order made by controller or an adjudicating officer made an appeal to Cyber Appellant Tribunal. Later, Mr. aggrieved by the order of Cyber Appellant Tribunal may be prefer an appeal. Answer is C. Only in High Court. Mr. X, a person who is intended by Mr. Y and originator to receive the electronic record is under the IT Act known as 75th. Answer is C. Addressee. The minimum number of required for registration of trade union is. Answer is D. 7. Next question is, the text of certified standard orders shall be prominently posted by the employer in dash in the language understood by the majority of his workmen. Answer is B. English. Next question, a person who has ultimate control over the affair of the factory under Factory Act 1948 is called as? Answer is A. Occupier. Next question, if the factory employs more than 1000 workers, they should appoint qualified dash to carry out the prescribed duties. Answer is A. Safety officer. Next question, spouse's road accident occurs, then being an advocate, what is the correct way of approaching the situation? Answer is A. FIR, petition, summon to insurance company. Next question is the principle of UPI JUPS IP was recognized in? Answer is C. AIBE versus White. Next question, Gloucester Grammar School case in landmark case based on which of the following maximum? Answer is A. Dominum sin injury. Next question, the National Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission under Consumer Protection Act 2019 shall have the jurisdiction to complain whether the value of goods or service paid as consideration exceeds. Answer is B. 10 crores. Next question, under section 41 of Consumer Protection Act 2019, appeal from the under the district commission lies to? Answer is A. State Commission. For an individual to be deemed to be resident in India in any previous year, one of the condition is? Answer is A. If he is in India for a period of 182 days or more during the previous year. Next question, the Kapoor purchased a residential house in January 2021 for 80 lakhs. He sold the house in April 2022 for 94 lakhs. In this case, the gain of 14 lakhs arising on account of sale of residential house will be charged to tax under which of the following head? The answer is A. Income from capital gains. Next question, Mr. Manjot is a trader supplying goods from his Mrs. Singh trader. The office of the firm is located in Delhi, whereas its godowns are located in the state of Uttar Pradesh, Punjab and Jammu Kashmir. Respectively, Mrs. Singh trade made following intra-state supplies from different states during the current financial year. Answer is B. Answer is Delhi, Uttar Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir. Next question, the primary GST slabs for any regular taxpayer are presently paid at? Answer is C. 0%, 5%, 12%, 18%, 28%. And next question is B. The proprietor of the newspaper publisher at A's request. A liable upon C in the newspaper and A agrees to indemnify B against the consequence of the publication and all cost and damages of any action is respect. Therefore, B is sued by C and has to pay damages and also incur expense. Decide in the light of the section 224 of the Indian Contract Act 1872. Answer is A. A is not liable to B upon indemnity. Next question, a person whom the agent names to act for the principal in the business of agents under the express or implied authority to name is called? Answer is B. substitute agent. Next question, A dash injunction can only be granted by the degree made at the hearing and upon the merits of suit. The defendant is thereby perpetually enjoined from the assertion of the right or from the commission of an act which could be contrary to the right of the plaintiff. Answer is B, perpetual. And next question, according to the section 5 of Specific Relief Act 1963, a person entitled to the possession of specific immovable property may recover it in the manner provided in. Answer is B, the Code of Civil Procedure Code 1908. And next question, there were the motor. Answer is D. And next question, in which of the following cases it was decided that contract with the minor is void? Answer is C. And next question, which of the following are correct with respect and declaratory degrees under the Specific Relief Act 1963? Answer is C. Both section 34 of the Aside Act deals with it and it is discriminatory in nature. And next question, which of the following is not a negotiable instrument as defined under the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881? Answer is D, billing receipt. And next question, 97th question, according to right to fair compensation and transparency in land acquisition and Resettlement Act 2013 appreciate government can acquire the land for which of the following purpose? Answer is D, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And next question, specific person under right to fair compensation and transparency in land acquisition and Resettlement Act 2013 means any person other than. Answer is D, all of this. And next question, who shall be the Registrar of Trademarks from the purpose of Trademark Act 1999? Answer is A, Controller General of Patent, Design and Trademarks. And 100, final question, which one of the following is not a type of IPR? Answer is D, historical indications. அவ்வளோதான் 2000 லாஸ்ட் இயர் வந்த கொஷின் பேப்பர் வித் ஆன்சரோட பார்த்தாச்சு. நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் வேறு ஒரு கொஷின் பேப்பரை பார்க்கலாம். வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தால் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், மறக்காமல் நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் பெல்லை கிளிக் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஃபேஸ்புக் அண்ட் இன்ஸ்டாகிராமுடைய லிங்க்கு டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் இருக்குது. ஃபாலோ பண்ணுறவங்க ஃபாலோ பண்ணுங்க. தேங்க்யூ, கீப் சப்போர்ட்டிங். ஹாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு ஜிடி லாஸ்.